Okay, so now that we visualize this and we know that we want to probably use a linear model for this because it has a linear relationship. Next, what we need to do is take this data and load it as an x and y variable, because as of now it's in the df data frame, right? So how we do that is take x is equal to df, and we just copy this and we load this, and then y equals to, and then we can just take this. Okay, so now we have our x data and y data. So if you see x, I printed out, it's the years of experience. So we just split this CSV into columns and loaded it as x and y. Okay, so once you have done this, now the next step is splitting the data. So for that we need to use sklearn's module. So from sklearn.model import train test split. I think this is the library, yeah. Train test split. Okay, yeah. So now what this does is it returns x train, x test. It returns 4 parameters. Okay, so we are going to x test, y train, y test. Okay, and train test split comma y, and then you have to specify the test size, that what's the size that you want to keep your data. Alright, so in our case we said we would keep it 30% for this example, so that's how you would say 30%. Okay. Sorry. Okay, so now we have this, and now what we can do is have a look at x train. Right, so if you see x train, which is the training set, which is supposed to be 70%, because the test size you have specified as 30. So the x train, if you want to check out the length, you see it's 21. So we had a total of 30 rows, and 70% of 30 is 21. So this looks right, and if you see x test, it should be 9 test. So that's okay. So we are in good shape now, right?